What in the world is that weird looking thing? And what is Hive? This video is really weird so far.
Hey guys, David here. In a recent video that I posted, somebody asked the question, what in the world are those? They were in the background of one of my videos that I made about Christmas lights, and I am going to make this video to explain what they are. Now, I will say, because they're not entirely smart home related, what I'm going to do is make this video about them, and I'm going to do a spin-off channel, create another channel called Italia State of Mind. I'll put a link somewhere where you can click and subscribe there if you'd like to see more, and we'll talk all about that topic there. All right, so what is it, and should you run out to the garage right now and build one? Well, the answer is they are computers and they're mining cryptocurrency. So what is mining cryptocurrency? What does that mean? Essentially, if you want a high level, just sort of elementary explanation of what crypto mining is, I would explain it like this. When a cryptocurrency is created, like let's say Bitcoin, because it was the first one, the creator will release a certain amount of the currency, let's just say 50% to make it easy. And then they reserve 50% to be released slowly over time. The way that they release that over time is by paying it to people that process the transactions. So if you're a customer that's using Bitcoin to pay for something, you swipe your card or whatever you do, you pay with the Bitcoin. That transaction has to be processed somewhere and recorded somewhere because it's an electronic currency. It's not physical. It actually exists on the computer. So those transactions are verified by the miners, and then every block of transactions that are verified, you're rewarded with new currency, and that's why it's called mining. So you're not actually finding new currency, you're being rewarded with that new currency for doing work. Now, part of what made me think to make this video today is that we just had the electrician leave. Now, there's been a ton of stuff that we've had to have the electrician do, such as the actual outlets here to plug these in, because you can see that we have it run as 30 amp. They draw a lot of power, but the electrician just put in this fan up there, and although it doesn't look like much, it runs directly off of a breaker right here, and that is a I believe it's a 110 CPM, I think it is, fan. So it's double to triple what a regular bathroom fan would be, and that's pulling the heat out of the top. Now you also see here on the ground I have this blue tape marked out, and it looks like I made like a weird pathway from the door, but I'm not that weird. It's not like a catwalk that you have to walk this plank right into all that junk over there. What this actually is we're marking out where we could put a wall. So we have two ideas, and I would love it if you guys would give your opinion in the comment section down below. But trying to decide if we block in this outside door and put the wall here, just square it off nice and neat, can move our beer fridge over here, or do we do this line and make it so the door still comes into the garage? Now, I will say either way, we're going to put a door somewhere in this space right here into the garage, into this area. But the advantage to doing this wall is, as you can hear, I'm having to talk loud because these fans are quite loud. We block in the noise, and also we can help kind of funnel the airflow up and out. And the way we do that is I'm going to put some vents in the bottom of this wall so that cold air can be sucked in underneath and then pushed out with the fan up top. So hopefully it'll kind of create this airflow, cool air in, goes up as it gets hot, pushes out. When we close this area in, this big storage shelf will go. It looks very messy right now because it's December, it's right around Christmas time, and most of the stuff that's normally up there is gone. This area is going to have to be clear so that the air can get up and out. Also, we don't want a fire hazard, and it would be in the way of the wall no matter which side it goes here. So shelf will go, fridge will go, water heater stays, cooler goes, the shelf, we'll probably have more miners up there, and we'll fill in the shelves down here and probably even up further on the wall. So we still have room to expand. The profitability of mining goes up and down based off of the number of computers on the network at any given time that are mining. So if there's more miners trying to mine the same currency, the difficulty goes up and it becomes less profitable to mine. If the number of miners goes down, then the difficulty goes down as well, and it can be more profitable. So it's not a consistent income necessarily. It'll go up and down, but we're currently coming out of a market where it was extremely profitable through this last summer, and there's a lot of estimates to say that mining is going to have more ups to come. Also to be noted, a lot of people are nervous about whether that profitability will completely crash and it won't be profitable at all, but that's almost kind of impossible if you really think about it, because it has to be profitable. It's otherwise, if the miners aren't making money to do it, they all go away and the transactions don't get processed at all, and then the currency would crash. That's not going to happen. So chances are it's going to balance out. That difficulty level comes down because people are leaving mining, and eventually it becomes just profitable enough again to where it encourages people to come back and keep mining. Well, I hope that answers the questions about what all of this stuff is. This is not my full-time job, but I did start a business to do all this under, and this is not the only cryptocurrency venture that we are involved in. There's some other stuff like Bitcoin ATMs and some other things that I would love to talk about on this other channel that I talked about. So if you have any more questions about this, or if you thought this was interesting, please check out that other channel, hit the subscribe button. This channel here is about smart home stuff, so if you enjoy that kind of thing, hit the subscribe button here too. And as always, please like the video, go down to the comments section and leave your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Have a great day.